The Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari took it to Twitter, informed that construction work in Assam for two-lane bridge with its approaches across River Brahmaputra on NH17 at Jogighopa with the budget of Rs 746.76 crore has been sanctioned. Nitin Gadkari further informed that widening and improvements for work four lanes with paved shoulders of Kwaram Tora village to Dalai section of NH29 has been sanctioned on EPC mode as recommended by SFC with budget of Rs 625.64 crores. Minister for Road and Transport and Highways also mentioned that 3 projects in Manipur for widening two lanes with hard shoulder of Ukhrul, Tolol, Tabuddi section of NH 102A with a budget of Rs 310.76 crore and 2 lanes with paved shoulders road for Temlenglong to Mahur NH 137 with a budget of Rs 477.86 crore has been sanctioned. He further mentioned that 2-lane construction from Temlenglong to Muhar NH 137 near Jiri River has been sanctioned on EPC mode with a budget of Rs 331.18 crore in Manipur.